Hi Ryan, this is Miss Hobkirk. You never really told me which assignment you were stuck on. Mrs. Meyer did tell me it was the images assignment. So I'm going to just step through this with you and then I will send you the link, and I believe she will watch this video with you tomorrow because it will work. First of all, when I follow the link that you have submitted here, it doesn't work. And I know that because it takes me to the W3 Schools website. So I can go back to yours and I can sort of piece it together by starting with your homepage link. So let's go to that and look. This looks good, but I want to look at your images assignment, so I'm going to put daily behind it because that's what folder it is supposed to be in. And I believe it's your page 4.2.html. Okay, so one of your images is looking like it's working. So the next thing I do is I right click and I look at your page source. And this one is working because it says images segue2.jpg. That looks right. This one, when I look at this code, all of these %2s in here, that means you have a space in the file name. And so I will tell you right away that that's a problem. You cannot put spaces in file names of anything, images, pages, anything that goes on the web. So that's why I make you guys go back. I've made you go back and redo those, and that's something you just plain and simply have to learn. But the next thing I can do to troubleshoot this is inside of your daily folder. I know you have a folder called images, so I can go up here and look at it this way. So two things going on here if I call this code back up. Inside of your images folder, you have two files. One called segue1.jpg, but yet in your code nowhere is it looking for segue 1. Here it looks for segue 2, and that's right here, segue 2. But here this is not segue 1 because this has spaces in it. So my suggestion is double check the file name on your computer inside your images folder. Make sure there's no spaces in it, and then reinsert it. And once you do that, then I think that you should make sure it is, if it's segue 1, move both the page, this page back up to the web, and move the image back up to the web, because I don't know that it's called segue 1 in your folder, but that's what it's called online. So that is my guess. That's a really easy fix. It should take you 10, maybe 15 minutes at the max to fix that. And then you're moving on and you have a perfect score on this assignment. If you have questions, as I told you in the message, you need to send me specifics so I know what you're working on so I can help you out.